I am going to show you how to set a timer on your iPhone and Android. Setting a timer can be incredibly useful for cooking, workouts, study sessions, and more. Check the timestamp of the video to get to the part you are interested in. Let's get started. How to set a timer on iPhone. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Find and tap on the clock app icon on your iPhone's home screen. It's a black icon with a white clock face. Once you're in the clock app, you'll see several options at the bottom of the screen: world clock, alarm, stopwatch, and timer. Tap on Timer. Use the scroll wheels to set the hours, minutes, and seconds for your timer. Scroll up or down to adjust each section to the desired duration. Tap on When Timer Ends to choose the sound that will play when the timer finishes. You'll see a list of different ringtones and sounds. Tap on a sound to preview it. Once you find a sound you like, tap Set in the upper right corner to confirm your choice. After setting the duration and choosing a sound, tap Start to begin the timer. You'll see the timer counting down on the screen. If you need to pause the timer, tap Pause. To resume, tap Resume. To cancel the timer entirely, tap Cancel. This will stop the timer and reset it to the previously set duration. You can also use Siri to set a timer hands-free. Activate Siri by saying "Hey Siri" or pressing and holding the side button or home button on older models. Say something like, "Set a timer for 10 minutes. Siri will confirm the timer and start it immediately. If you need multiple timers, you can start multiple timers as the clock app supports multiple timers. And that's it. You now know how to set a timer on your iPhone. How to set a timer on Android. Find and tap on the clock app icon on your Android device. The icon usually looks like a clock face and might be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in the clock app, you'll see several options at the top or bottom of the screen: alarm, clock, timer, and stopwatch. Tap on Timer. Tap on the number pad to set the hours, minutes, and seconds for your timer. Depending on your Android device, you might have the option to choose the sound that will play when the timer finishes. Look for a setting or icon that allows you to select a ringtone or sound. Tap on a sound to preview it. Once you find a sound you like, select it to confirm your choice. After setting the duration and choosing a sound, if applicable, tap Start to begin the timer. You'll see the timer counting down on the screen. If you need to pause the timer, tap Pause. To resume, tap Resume. To cancel the timer entirely, tap Cancel or the stop icon. This will stop the timer and reset it to the previously set duration. You can also use Google Assistant to set a timer hands-free. Activate Google Assistant by saying "Hey Google" or pressing and holding the home button, or using the Assistant button if your device has one. Say something like, "Set a timer for 10 minutes. Google Assistant will confirm the timer and start it immediately. Some Android devices allow you to set multiple timers simultaneously. Check if your clock app supports this feature by trying to set another timer while one is already running. And that's it. You now know how to set a timer on your Android device. Whether you're using it for cooking, working out, or just managing your time better, the timer is a handy feature. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.